Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got at Aldi budget style because I'm trying to clean out my pantry, clean out my freezer. Therefore, this grocery haul is only $100 roughly, give or take, and honestly, I got some really good deals. I got some really good stuff. Let me stop talking, just show you guys what I got. This is just going to be an overview really quick of everything I got. And I'll kind of go through all of it really quickly just so you guys kind of know what I'm going to make with it. And if you want to see the meals I'm going to make, just comment down below. So I did pick up this shrimp here. We're just going to be doing some shrimp tacos. I picked up some pork chops. These are the pork shoulder steaks. We love these, and we actually eat. That's the kind of pork chops we normally eat. I got 3 packs of boneless thighs. This was a special at Aldi. And I also have chicken quarters and ground beef that we're using this week for recipes. I got a head of lettuce, which is only like $1.50 at Aldi, which is super cheap. This is what I get myself for breakfast. This one, if you haven't tried this and you're doing low calorie, which I am, I'm actually recently down 12 more pounds. This is only 45 calories a link. And I also get this one right here, which is one that I really like. So I picked those up. I got a bag of apples. I got some taco seasoning, some Parmesan cheese, some corn tortillas, some spaghetti, some eggs. I got this sweet orange marmalade because I made this really good orange chicken last week and the boys wanted it again. So I'm going to be making this, and I needed this, but I have everything else. Tikka masala, if you haven't tried that, it's so good. If you like curry, this is a really good dupe, I would say. I get this all the time. I make it with chicken. I make it with ground beef. I cut up some peppers, onion, throw it all in the crock pot, and it's delicious. Usually I buy 2, which is enough for us for about almost 2 meals. I picked up some heavy whipping cream because I have some recipes I want to do. I picked up some mushrooms. I picked up a box of pancakes from Aldi's. This is a lot of pancake mix and you only add water. I actually put in milk and it makes it much more fluffier. And if you guys didn't know, if you let your batter sit after you put in the milk in your pancakes, it gets so much fluffier. Like the pancakes come out thicker. That's a little tip I've learned. My son just started school and he loves these to put in his lunch boxes. I'm sorry, he only has 1 lunchbox, so he puts those in his lunchbox. I picked up green onions, only like 60 cents at Aldi. I picked up some cilantro, some tomatoes to make some salad. Each of the boys picked their own tea. The oldest boy picked lemonade, the middle picked fruit punch, and I actually got this one for me. These are for water bottles, and these are for quart sizes, and there's like 4 packs, and it's like $2. So you get low-calorie drinks, which those I think are caffeine-free and sugar-free, which is really good. We drink water, we drink juice, but that's a really good drink for dinner time. I picked up some corn. My little one, my toddler, loves corn. I picked up some cilantro. I'm not sure if I showed you guys that already. We got some bananas back there, and they usually just have it as a snack, but I also have tons to make banana bread that I could show you guys that. It is honestly the best banana bread I've ever made. Or ever tried, honestly. I got some sour cream. I got some strawberries. I got some crescent rolls. I got these cheeses, which are really good. It's like the knockoff Laughing Cow. Honestly, I cannot taste the difference at all. So I got garlic and herb and pepper jack. I love eating this with some grapes and some crackers as a little snack. I picked up some cream cheese and some grapes. I also picked up these dark chocolate sea salt caramels, and they're really good. And I usually go to this when I'm craving something sweet. I think each one's like 70 calories, and it does it for me. I picked up some zucchini here, some spinach here, and also some meat sauce back there. And I know a lot of these things is really random, but like I said, I'm going to be cleaning out my pantry. So a lot of these are fill-ins. If you're saying, well, how is she going to make tons of different meals? I cook every single day, every night. We have dinner, and it's a new dinner. Except on Saturdays, we do leftover or we do takeout. All right, guys, that kind of completes my haul. Just like I said, I have a little bit of items still in my deep freezer. I have rice. A lot of these things are going to go with rice. Cucumbers, I have, because I'm going to make cucumber tomato salad. My onions, I have potatoes. There's a lot of things I didn't include in this because I still have so much left over, and I'm just trying to clean out my pantry. Normally, we spend about $120 to $130 recently a week, which is amazing. our bill used to be about $250 a week. I was able to bring it down to like $160. And now I've managed to make it about $130 because I make a lot of things from scratch and just buy in bulk. I'm actually gonna be coming out with a video really soon of $5 dinners. So if you wanna see those type of videos, I hope you're subscribed and I see you in my next video. Bye.